On this week's episode, we're going to answer that burning question, can we light a match encased in resin? So this week's experiment should be fairly simple to make. All we need to light this match are three things: heat, fuel and oxygen. Now for the heat source, I've got myself one of these high-powered lasers. It's even got a little key on the back here to turn it on. Now if that fails to do it, I've got myself a trusty magnifying glass. For our fuel source, we'll obviously be using our matches. And the last thing we need is oxygen. Now because we're going to cast these matches in solid resin, we're going to have to create a void. And I'm going to do that with this container. Now unfortunately this container is made of plastic and will most likely melt in the resin. So what I need to do is take some silicone. I'm just going to use Art Sil. I'm going to make a copy of this. That way we can get our voids. Now that we have the voids made, I can start getting the resin ready, and for that I'll be using Art Cast. Now my plan here is to put a toothpick through the void and suspend it in the cup just off the bottom. Now we'll just pop these in the pressure pot and we'll check on them later. So now that we've got our two halves, the next thing I need to do is drop a match in here and join them together. But before I do that, I just need to sand off this lip. I think to give this match every chance of lighting, I'm going to turn it into a cylinder on the lathe and then polish it up. So it's now the moment we've all been waiting for. Can we light it up? Well, I've had the laser running for a good 5 minutes now, and it doesn't look like it's doing anything. I've got the focal point right on the head of the match, but it just doesn't seem to be working. So I think we're going to have to go for plan B, the magnifying glass.
Ah, crap.
Well guys, we've had some pretty ordinary weather the last few days, but the sun's just finally come out, so I'm going to take my magnifying glass and see if we can get it to light. Okay, the sun's finally come out. Let's see if we can light it up. Looks like the focal point's right on there. It is starting to get late afternoon, so the sun doesn't quite have that same intense heat to it. Wow! We did it! It worked! Check that out, the cylinder's now filled with smoke. Well guys, we did it! We managed to light a match encased in resin. How cool is that? You can even still see the smoke inside. Well guys, that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you guys have any suggestions as to what you want me to put in resin, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.